I do not know how many videos you have watched about make money online. But if you are stuck, here is I will show you the real and easy way to make money online fast with AI. And I use the same approach many times to make money online. Here is the truth which nobody tells you. It's not about selling AI prompts. The money is in solving a specific niche, a specific problem, and delivering the answer in a specific format to people which they can use. Answer is a simple PDF. That's it. And I will show you how to make one, design it, and sell it without spending a penny to start. Most beginners' digital product advice is write an ebook. So people spend weeks writing 40, 50, or sometimes 100 pages, covering every single thing, every side corners, and then nobody buys it. Not because the content was bad, because it was too broad, too generic, and too overwhelming for anyone to actually use and get results. Here is a real problem. People don't want any more information. They want a shortcut, a done for you checklist, and sometimes a one-page planner that solves a specific thing for a specific group of people. That's it. Stop thinking ebooks. Start thinking useful tools in PDF format. And when you combine that idea with AI, suddenly you can make money faster than anyone else. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. The fix is 3 tools, that's it. Let's start with the first one, Claude. This is an AI writing assistant and it's very good at helping you research, outline and draft content fast. You are not using it to write garbage. You are using it to think faster and structure better. And second is Canva, free, browser-based, and it has hundreds of ebooks and document template ready to go. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to know a few simple rules and I will show you those in a minute. Third is Payhip. It's free to set up, no monthly fee, and it automatically handles many things for your customers. You upload your PDF, set your price, and it delivers the file instantly when someone buys. That's your entire stack. Claude writes it, Canva designs it, and Payhip sells it. And the whole thing can be done in a single week. Sorry, in a single weekend. But before I show you how to build the paid product, I want to show you something smarter. Start with free PDF first because trust is the real currency online. Okay, let me show you exactly how I would build this. I'm going to make a free PDF called the AI PDF Side Hustle Starter Kit. By the way, it's a valuable resource. You can download it from below, link in the description. Okay, back to the point. I'm going to make a free PDF called the AI PDF Side Hustle Starter Kit. It has 5 or 7 pages. Simple, useful, and something a complete beginner can pick up and take actions from day one. Step 1. Pick one small problem. Don't try to solve every single thing. Pick one audience and one pain point. For this video, the audience is beginners creator who want to make money with AI. And the problem is they don't know where to start. That's it. One problem and one audience. And step number 2 is use Claude to build the structure. Open Claude and paste this prompt. I will put it on screen. By the way, this prompt is already in the PDF. Create a 7-page beginner-friendly PDF guide for new creators who want to sell digital products using AI. It should solve the problem of not knowing where to start. Make it practical, simple, and schemable. Include a cover title, short intro, 5 main sections, a checklist, and a CTA page. And in about 30 seconds, you will get an outline. Then follow up with this prompt. Turn this into short paragraphs, bullet points, and call out box tips. And finally, ask this. Give me 10 titles options and 5 subtitles options. And here is something interesting. You're not copying and pasting blindly. You're editing, trimming, and adding your own examples. And then step number 3. Design it in Canva. Open Canva, search for an ebook or document template, and set your page size to A4 or a letter. Pick up a clean template, not the most fancy one, the most readable one. Follow these rules and your PDF will look professional every single time. And here are the rules. 2 fonts maximum, 1 for heading and 1 for body text. 2 or 3 brand colors. Lots of white spaces, 1 idea per page. Use call out boxes for your best tips. And add a funnel page with a clear next step and your link. And finally, step 4, export it. When you are done, export as PDF standard. And now that's your free PDF done. Now let's talk about turning this into money. But before I jump to the money section, let me highlight. I love to add value first and then ask for some money. And this is my approach, and this is what I always teach, what I always encourage. So this is a free PDF. The free PDF gave people a taste. It solved one small problem and built trust. The paid version goes deeper, more niche ideas, done for you template, a more checklist, and more. So technically, you are not just adding pages, you are adding outcomes. And now let's talk about turning this into money. And once you are ready to sell your PDF, sell it on Payhip. Go to payhip.com, create a free account, hit add product and choose digital product. You can set it up yourself, it's super duper easy. And Payhip automatically delivers the file to the buyer the moment they check out. So this is the exact path you can use, just one small problem, one audience and one useful PDF. Use Claude to build the structure, use Canva to make it look clean and professional, and finally use Payhip to sell it. That's the whole system. And to make it more easier, I have put together a free AI PDF side hustle starter kit just for you. It has a few pages and the link in the description. Grab it, go through it today and start building your first digital product this weekend. And now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, but how do I get this to actually make real money every single month? I've got something for you. In my next video, I'm breaking down exactly how I make $1,000 a month from one boring developer side hustle. I will put the link right here. So go watch and I will see you there.